Welcome, friends. It is certainly an immense joy to reach out to you through this medium. My name is C.C. Busnor, and I am a private investigator. This is my first vlog or in the series to come. My viewer friends, let me inform you on the content that is on offer here so that you can be aware of that fact. This forum is meant to entertain you in the realm of protection and corporate investigation. Here, I shall try to bring you the stories, topics, great personalities with tidbits and trivia on the security, investigation, and forensic applications. Sure, emphasis will be made to simplify and explain the topics to complete comprehension of a layperson. In near future, I also intend to hold talks with subject matter experts and security professionals and persons who have contributed to the well-being and security of the society. And yes, I ask back from you your valid support, valuable comments, and suggestions. I assure you I'll keep you intrigued. And to come to the today's subject, today I would like to dwell on an important aspect, that is, contrary to the popular perception among us that security is an exclusive concept made and pioneered by man. It is evident that desire to protect oneself and their loved ones from the harm that can be caused by environmental factors or predators is a natural tendency among all living beings. We can see ample examples of safety issues in nature. Very abundantly, we come across examples in the nature. One of the example I can quote here is the birds building their nest for the safety of the eggs while incubation and rearing the young ones, and it is against the natural environment factors as well as the predators. In this session, let me start with a very basic notion on what is safety and what is security. Generally, safety and security appear like a synonym, and often they are used interchangeably to mean the same thing. However, professionals will agree that there is a subtle distinction between safety and security. Now, whereas the word safety refers to the condition of being protected against various types of accidents, damages, harm, failure, diseases, disaster, and natural calamities. Most often, these calamities are caused by nature and does not involve any deliberate act of people or person to cause harm or destruction. There is no human motive involved here. And whereas in the case of security, the term security refers to the act of protection in order to safeguard persons, assets against danger, loss, damage, and crime and destruction. That is most often caused by the action of people. These dangers or crimes may include the consequences that may harm the aspect of things that human beings value. It can also involve loss to intangible things like reputation, etc. There is a motto involved in that case. Now, to quote an example of a safety, let's consider the seat belt of your car. The seat belt of your car is meant for the safety of the occupants against the harm that can be caused in case of an accident. The key and lock or the alarm siren of your car is meant to secure you against the acts of auto theft. I hope you understood the difference, subtle difference between security and safety. And that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this session. Please comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Take care.